More English.
Hello, my name is Precious and welcome to my kitchen. Do you like baking? I like baking. Today, I will teach you how I make my favorite chocolate chip banana bread.
But first, don't forget to wash your hands. We need 2 bananas, 6 tablespoons melted butter, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla syrup, 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 cup chocolate chips, and 1/4 cup chopped walnuts. You will also need measuring tools, baking dish, mixing bowl, and spatula. You need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees for 30 minutes. In your mixing bowl, mash 2 ripe bananas using a fork. Your mashed bananas should look like this. Then, add 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Beat 1 egg and add into the mixture. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla syrup. Using a spatula, mix everything together. Now add 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now it's mixing time. Let's add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips into the mixture. Mix, mix, mix. Add 1/4 cup chopped walnuts. Put a little oil into your mold or baking dish. Now it's time to put our mixture into the mold. You can also put 1/4 cup of chocolate chips on top. Now we are ready to bake. Let's put it in our oven and bake it for 40 to 50 minutes in 180 degrees. Our bread is finally done, but first, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before cutting or eating. Enjoy your banana bread with your favorite drink. I like it with coffee.
So that's it for today. Thank you for being with me in this video. See you next time. Bye!